Puppy swing, puppy swing.
Isang pangmalakasang yay, everybody! Come on, yay! Show us your good bags and your fur babies. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Stevie. You are holding your fur baby wearing a Stevie scarf. Okay? Dapat naka-Stevie scarf o dapat naadito kang Stevie. And then,
Ay, karit.
okay, so kinahanglan, isulob ang Stevie, oh my gosh, isulob ang Stevie scarf. Unya, take a pose dito ni Stevie sa sulod sa SM Wonderland Paw Maze. Unya, naani price ha, naani price. Listen up. I-post ang inyong photo or video or any other creative content nga gasulob sa Stevie Scar sa inyong Facebook account. Dapat today ninyo i-post ha, today before 8 p.m. And make sure to tag SM Seaside City Cebu official. Include our official hashtags. Hashtag awesome. Hashtag SM Seaside City Cebu. Hashtag SM Wonderland 2024. And hashtag everything's here at SM. Make sure to post your content. Okay, so right now we'd like to request all the fur moms and fur dads to bring their babies to the 20-foot installation. Okay, everybody, let's go to the 20-foot CV to take a photo with them. Come on, everybody. At the Tadayon and CV, the 20-foot Stevie, not the 8-feet Stevie, the 20-foot Stevie. Itong naadito sa Paw Maze. Before we begin our games. Yes, we have games, and yes, we have prizes.
Forward, forward.
Thank you to John Schooner. Thank you very much, John Schooner, for today's prizes. And of course to Pepper's Favorites. Thank you, Pepper's Favorites. For the trees for our fur babies. You can grab one for your pet. Yes, it's free. Right now,
Ka-cute sa doggy, eh.
first, ito sa 20-foot Stevie with elephant one year.
Kuha sa ero, eh.
1-year-old po to, sir.
Nagkakaroon sa lahat. Ang Schooner, very, very much.
Musota sa Paw Maze.
Posh Joy and Nature Chunks.
Ang center of attraction diri si Stevie. Ang dog installation. Maze ni siya para sa mga aero. Okay. So oo. Si Stevie. Dia si Doon ay sinina.
Para magtanaw na ko output kung di ba ngit-ngit o di ba? Ayan. Okay, I see everyone. Kada naman sa front. Yeah, okay. 3, 2, 1, smile. I see it. Good, nice.